Can you imagine having a profitable machine in your hands that you can easily import from China and start your own business from home? Today, you're going to discover 10 machines that can turn raw materials into high-demand products, perfect for building a profitable business without needing employees or a huge space. Each one of these machines is compact, efficient, and designed to generate real income even if you're just starting. Stick around until the end because the 10th machine is the most surprising, smallest in size but capable of producing the highest profit margins. You'll also get the exact investment numbers, real costs, and the monthly earnings you can expect. To get the complete list of all the machines, just comment, send me the link, and I will reply with it.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide professional or financial advice.
Machine number 1, Low Fog Smoke Machine. This first machine is striking not only visually but also in its business potential. It creates a low-lying fog effect that stays close to the ground, perfect for events, runways, weddings, or parties, giving a cinematic touch. How does it work? It is simple yet impressive. The system uses distilled water and a special glycol mixture that, when heated, produces a dense fog that lingers near the floor for hours. The machines are lightweight, under 10 kilograms, making them easy to transport in any trunk. Importing this from China costs between 200 and 800 euros. Renting it for an event can bring in 70 to 150 euros, with material costs per event only 3 to 5 euros. Hosting just 4 events a month can cover the entire investment. One entrepreneur started with 3 local weddings and earned 1,200 euros in the first month. Now, they work regularly with event halls and DJs. It is ideal if you have contacts in the event world. The only essential detail is cleaning the tank after each use. This could be your first mini factory from home. Logistics companies, this machine can multiply your money from the first month. Access to carbon dioxide tanks can turn this from a profitable business into a genuine goldmine. Machine number 3, Cardboard Recycling Machine for Cushioning. This one takes an eco-friendly approach, using free raw materials. It turns used cardboard boxes into padded packaging, replacing bubble wrap. Bubble wrap costs around 4 euros per kilo and is restricted in many countries. You collect cardboard for free from supermarkets or stores and sell it as eco-friendly packaging. The process is simple: insert cardboard, and blades shred it into flexible strips, perfect for e-commerce and moving services. The machine is compact, about 2 by 2 meters, and quiet, so it is easy to operate at home. Importing from China costs 450 to 1,200 euros. Production costs are almost zero. Selling price ranges from €1.50 to 3 euros per kilo. Producing 300 kilos per month yields 900 euros. 1 ton monthly can reach 3,000 euros. While others pay for plastic, you are turning trash into gold for Amazon sellers and stores needing green packaging. With a van and nearby commerce, this business has growth potential. Demand is increasing around 30% annually due to anti-plastic regulations. Machine number 4, CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. A machine that cuts steel like butter and can earn 2,000 euros a month working only 3 hours per day. It transforms steel, aluminum, or iron sheets into security grills, industrial supports, and decorative pieces with millimeter precision. The operation is mesmerizing. Program the design from your phone, place the sheet on the table, and the plasma arc combined with compressed gas cuts exactly where you want. Sparks fly, metal melts, pure visual spectacle. Importing costs 1,000 to 4,000 euros depending on size. Cost per piece, including gas and electricity, is under €1, while selling prices range from 40 to 45 euros per piece. Making 5 pieces daily can earn 1,500 to 3,000 euros monthly. One DIY entrepreneur started making railings and now supplies 3 workshops with consistent orders. You need a well-ventilated garage for safety, but if you enjoy working with metal, this machine does not just cut metal, it builds loyal clients. Machine number 5, Steel Rebar Bending Machine. Yes, 9,000 euros monthly starting with just 400 euros. This machine turns steel rods into perfect rebar for concrete pillars, slabs, and beams. Every construction foreman needs these urgently, and few local manufacturers exist. Fully automatic, insert the bar, and it cuts and bends it in seconds with professional uniformity. No skilled labor needed. Visually, it is captivating, watching thick steel bend as if it were wire. Compact enough for a garage, importing from China costs 400 to 500 euros. Production cost per rebar is just a few cents, selling price 30 to 60 cents each. Making 1,000 pieces daily can generate 9,000 to 18,000 euros per month. Many operators work near construction sites, selling directly to foremen. Local construction cycles affect earnings, but if 400 euros is your max budget, this is your machine. Machine number 6, Chain Link Fence Production Machine. A business that never runs out, chain link fencing. Near any construction site, farm, or industrial area, demand is constant. Manufacturing fences usually requires manual work or expensive machines, but this one is automatic. It feeds galvanized wire and produces meters of uniform fencing ready to install. Watching the wires intertwine is hypnotic. Import costs from China, 2,500 to 6,500 euros. Cost per square meter, 2 to 3 euros. Selling price, 8 to 15 euros per square meter. Producing 500 square meters per month can net over 3,000 euros. Requires space for wire rolls and finished products, but its constant demand makes it perfect for a mini factory in a garage or small workshop. Machine number 7, Vertical Injection Molding Machine. This machine allows you to generate between 6,000 and 12,000 euros a month by producing thousands of small plastic parts. The process is simple. Load granulated plastic into a hopper. The machine melts the material at high temperature and injects it into closed molds. When the mold opens, the finished piece comes out ready to package and sell. Ideal for making electrical connectors, mobile accessories, packaging, or small industrial components. Importing this machine from China costs between 2,000 and 3,500 euros. Molds typically cost between 200 and 500 euros each. Production cost per piece ranges from 5 to 15 cents, while selling prices are between 1 and 3 euros per unit. Producing 200 pieces a day can generate 6,000 to 12,000 euros monthly. One workshop began making simple cable clips and eventually supplied entire charger factories. A key tip: ensure a well-ventilated space for heat. Also, test demand with repeat customers before investing in expensive molds. Perfect for mid-range budgets aiming for real industrial production from home. Machine number 8, Cord and Rope Production Machine. This business never dies. People always need cords. One of the oldest yet most enduring textile businesses. It works clearly, feeds synthetic or natural thread bobbins, and the machine automatically braids perfect cords for shoes, backpacks, bags, decoration, or even agricultural use. Watching the spindles rotate at high speed is almost hypnotic. Set thickness and color, and the machine continuously produces cords ready for cutting to size. Importing this machine from China costs between 1,000 and 3,000 euros. Material costs per meter are very low, 3 to 5 cents. Selling price per meter ranges from 20 to 50 cents, depending on thickness. Producing 5,000 meters monthly can generate around 1,000 euros net. If you connect with shoemakers or textile wholesalers, this figure can triple easily. One entrepreneur started selling replacement shoe cords and now supplies backpack factories with 20,000 meters a month. Important: always use quality thread. Cheap material breaks easily and loses customers. With nearby textile workshops, this business can earn money even while you sleep. Machine number 9, Broomstick Production Machine. Simple but stable business. Broomsticks are consumed every month in homes, stores, and schools. Demand never stops. The machine takes wooden planks or logs, peels, polishes, and cuts them into uniform sticks ready for brooms, mops, and brushes. The transformation is fascinating to watch. Irregular wood becomes perfect sticks in minutes. Requires moderate space for managing wood chips and storage, but production is continuous. Importing from China costs between 800 and 4,000 euros, depending on capacity. Production cost per stick, 20 to 30 cents. Selling price, around €1 per unit. Producing 1,000 sticks monthly generates about 1,000 euros. partnering with distributors or supermarkets, it is easy to scale to 4,000 or even 5,000 euros a month. Many garages have become regional suppliers because almost no one manufactures these locally. Key tip: managing bulk wood purchases significantly reduces costs. This is a predictable, low-stress business with constant demand. Machine number 10. Barbed wire production machine. Essential in rural and suburban areas, where barbed wire is a must. Agriculture, livestock, and industrial security depend on durable fences. The machine feeds galvanized wire that twists automatically to form precise barbs in 100-meter rolls ready for installation. The process is fast and visually captivating. Importing from China costs between 1,000 and 4,000 euros. Production cost per roll, 5 to 8 euros. Selling price per roll, 25 to 40 euros. Producing 300 rolls a month can generate over 7,500 euros net. Key for success: use high-quality galvanized wire. This guarantees durability and builds loyal clients. Rural markets pay quickly and consistently, making this machine an excellent investment for small home-based production. These 10 machines from China can turn your garage or small workshop into a real money-making mini-factory. From simple tools like low-fog machines and rebar benders to advanced CNC cutters and injection molders, there's something for every budget. Success starts with choosing the right machine for your space, budget, and connections. Drop a comment telling us which one caught your eye. Subscribe to Machine Hustle for more high-profit, low-risk projects you can run from home. Like, share, and get ready to start earning real money.